Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to make clones of things. Cloning means we have different copies that act the same way, and now I will give a demonstration of this. We had this monster going back and forth here. Then I will press the space button and I shoot bullets. Every time I hit the button, then we make a new clone of the bullet. Okay, let's start this. We will begin this section with removing the sprite of the cat. Then we will paint a monster. Like this. We will duplicate the monster. Like this. And then we put code to it. When clicked, then we will show the monster, and we will put it in this end. So we will say set x to minus 240. Then we will add our loop, move 10 steps. Then next custom, then wait 0.35 seconds, and then if on edge bunch. Then we go to direction 90, press here and press left right in the middle there. So it will not go upside down when it goes back again. Okay. Then we will add one more sprite. We will add this bullet. And we will fill it there. We can move it down a little, like this. Then we will add code. First, we will hide it when we start the program. Then, when we use space, then we will shoot one bullet. So what we will do, we will create a clone. We will clone the bullet every time we press space key. Then we will add a code when I start as a clone. Then we will show the bullet and we will put the X direction to -220 and we will have a continuous loop while we are moving 10 steps, and we will check if we are touching sprite 1. Instead of calling sprite 2 and sprite 1, I will call this one bullet and this one monster. So if touching monster, then we will send a message saying that we hit the monster. And we will also add one more if. If we are touching the monster, or if we are touching the edge. If we are touching the monster, or if we are touching over here, then we delete the bullet. So the bullet will not be shown anymore. Okay. And then we will add more code to the monster. When I receive that I'm hit, then I will hide. So when the monster is hit, it will not be shown anymore. And then we will add one more thing. When the bullet hit the monster, we will have an explosion. So we will make one more sprite. and I will outline red, and I will paint like this, and I will fill it like that, and I will add code to this one also. When we start the program, we will hide, and then when the message are sent that it will be that the monster will be hit, then also this sprite, we call it explosion, then we will go to the position of the monster. So if the monster is over here, then this sprite will go there as well. If the monster is over there, then it will go over there as well. And then we will put the Y position to 0, and it will show. Then we will wait a half second, and then we hide, because then the explosion is over. I will try this. The monster is going there. I press space. Nothing seemed to happen here. I stop this. Then I set X to minus 160. Then I try again. Nothing seemed to happen still. Then I reduce the size here, and it works. You see the bullet is coming every time I press space button. Well, this worked perfectly. Then I will just have a new backdrop. I will have this desert. Then the monster is going here, eating. I shoot the bullet and it explodes. It's perfect. That was all for today. I hope you had a good time in learning, and I see you next time.